It's the 2018 Ford Expedition FX4 package. We've done a few extra things to this vehicle to really take it to the next level of ruggedness and off-roading capabilities. Jay Sturtz, sales manager at Village Ford, and I'm really excited about introducing this extraordinary vehicle. This particular unit is loaded with tons of technology, from the 6 smart charging USB ports to the 7 different drive modes to adapt to the terrain. This vehicle was made with the driver and passenger in mind. We've added a 2.5-inch lift. We added 20-inch off-road wheels, and we put F-150 Raptor tires on it to make this Expedition truly unique. We personalized this vehicle for the driver who wants to stand out, the driver who wants luxury, but also wants the capabilities of off-roading in any terrain. Stop into Village Ford and let us put you in the vehicle of your dreams.